Welcome class 8 in our e-learning class, and today we will just discuss this topic, domestic violence. And you have come to know about this one, but during this live classes we've confronted certain problems. That's why I said that I will prepare a video on this particular topic and I will try to upload it in our e-portal. For that reason only I am just here to prepare the video on this topic. So domestic violence refers to the injury or harm or threat of injury or harm caused by an adult male, usually the husband against his wife. Injury may be caused by physically beating up the woman or by emotionally abusing her. Abuse of the woman can also include verbal, sexual, and economic abuse. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 extends the understanding of the term domestic to include all women who live or have lived together in a shared household with a male member who is perpetrating the violence. Meaning of this perpetrate I have written here, meaning commit. So this is the matter of this domestic violence. There is a husband beating his wife and all these things. So let's see what happened here. October 2006, Sazia, did you read today's newspaper? Isn't it a great day for women? Not just women. Violence-free homes will benefit everyone. Kushum, it's taken such a long time to get this law passed. In fact, it began with establishing the need for a new law. Kushum and Sazia work for a women's organization. They remember the journey of how the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act got passed. Now we will also come to know that how it got passed. April 1991, a typical day at their office. I need advice. My husband beats me up. I haven't told anyone so far. I feel so ashamed. So see the matter, the victim, she is feeling ashamed. I can't go on like this anymore. But I have nowhere to go. I am being ill-treated by my son and daughter-in-law. They verbally abuse me. I have no access to my bank accounts. They may even throw me out. I do not want to go to the police. I just want to stop the violence. I just don't want to be thrown out of the house I am living in. Unfortunately, the existing law is a criminal one and does not offer these options. Throughout the 1990s, the need of a new law was raised in different forums. Forums meaning I have written meeting. So we have heard testimonies of several women. We have seen the women want protection against being beaten, the right to continue living in a shared household, and often temporary relief. We need a new civil law to address this issue. Meaning of testimonies, you can write a formal written or spoken statement, especially one given in a court of law. So in 1999, Lawyers Collective, a group of lawyers, law students and activists, after nationwide consultations, took the lead in drafting the Domestic Violence Prevention and Protection Bill. This draft bill was widely circulated. The definition of domestic violence should include physical, economic, sexual, and verbal and emotional abuse. So this is the definition of domestic violence. It is the violence regarding this it is some sort of torture which the women they face, and it can be regarding their physical, economic, sexual, or verbal or emotional abuse it can be. The law should cover any women living within a shared domestic space. They should be protected from being evicted from the shared household. Meaning of evicted means to expel somebody from the property, especially with the support of law. This is the meaning of evicted. So what about some monetary relief? The women's movement want a new law in domestic violence. The government should introduce it in parliament soon. Finally, the bill was introduced in parliament in 2002. So we can see from here that the journey started in 1991 and finally the bill was introduced in parliament in 2002. But this bill has none of what we have been suggesting. So it is not containing all the measures which must be taken for giving protection to the women against this domestic violence. We must oppose the bill in its present form. Let's have a press conference. We could also start an online petition. Now the petition meaning a formal written request, typically one signed by many people, or you can also address it as appeal. So several women's organization, National Commission for Women made submissions to the Parliamentary Standing Committee. This standing committee is very important word or important term. I have written the meaning on the board. You can see a permanent committee that meets regularly. A permanent committee that meets regularly. So several women's organization, National Commission for Women made submissions to the Parliamentary Standing Committee because whatever suggestions were put forward, they were changed. Esteemed members, esteemed means who are highly honored or admired, so or highly respected members of the Parliamentary Standing Committee, the present bill must be changed. We do not agree with the definition of domestic violence being proposed. That means what have been suggested or what has been suggested. Now it cannot be has not a single one. I think many proposals were there. So if we take it as singular also, so what has been suggested, it was completely removed. So that's why people, they were against the bill which was introduced in the parliament. So esteemed members of the Parliamentary Standing Committee, the present bill must be changed. We do not agree with the definition of domestic violence being proposed. The law needs to provide for temporary custody of children. In December 2002, the Standing Committee submitted its recommendations to the Rajya Sabha and these were also tabled in the Lok Sabha. The committee's report accepted most of the demands of the women's group. Finally, a new bill was reintroduced in Parliament in 2005. After being passed in both houses of Parliament, it was sent to the President for his assent. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came into effect in 2006. It had started, that means the journey started in April 1991 and the law was there, or the law came into effect in 2006, but the month is not mentioned. At a press conference in October 2006, what is this new law? This law is a first in recognizing a woman's right to a violence-free home and provides a comprehensive definition of domestic violence. Meaning of comprehensive, you can write down, of large scope, covering or involving much. That means a detailed study. A comprehensive definition of domestic violence. This is a civil law aimed at providing relief to millions of women, including wives, mothers, daughters and sisters affected by violence in their homes. So finally the law, it has come into effect in 2006 and let's see what happened after that. This law is a very significant step because it recognizes the right of women to live in a shared household. Women can get a protection order against any further violence. women can get monetary relief to meet their expenses, including medical costs. Now begins another long journey. Yes, now the government has to ensure that this law is implemented and enforced. So now the law has come, better to say the, hey, what happened here? Okay. So the law, it came into effect in 2006, and now there's people, that means these women who are running this women's or women's organization. What they are saying, that now the government has to ensure that the law is implemented and enforced. That means it must be followed now. And another part I have forgotten to read here in this part, why is this an important law? So you only think in your mind why this is an important law. Definitely the women, they must get protection against this domestic violence. So children, regarding this storyboard only, we faced so many problems in our live classes. That's why I have prepared the video, and in our next class when we will meet, we will proceed with the next part of the chapter. Till then, stay well and bye.